Assalamu alaikum viewers. I'm back again with another informative video for all of you. So if you are a new person who is working on NFT and you don't know about different tactics to spam your wallet, and if someone is going to have unwanted access to your wallet, then here I'm going to expose a new method. So this is the account named Color of Life. You can just check this account. I got a message from this account where you can just check here. She has about 28 NFTs uploaded on her profile. You can just check here. She's not as simple as you must be guessing about this account. So here I got a message from this account where she is saying that I'm Emily. I saw your art designs and would like to purchase some of them. I have a question for you. Please contact me by my email. And here is her email. So this is my NFTs profile, and here I have uploaded many of my important and precious NFTs here. Okay, so how it works? Well, firstly you got a message from this account where she would insist you to send her an email if you want to sell your NFTs to this girl, and if you want to get your NFTs populated, and if you want to sell them to this girl. So she has amazing pieces of art already. I don't know either if she own them or not, because the method shows that she is really sharp. Okay, so here you can just check it that she is continuously following different kinds of the accounts. Okay, after following all of these accounts, she will just send them the message, just like she sent me the message, and the same way she will get many of the followers, because she just follow them and just send them message. Now you can see that I just sent her the message. Yeah, you want to buy my NFTs? And she just replied, hello dear friend, my question was solved. If I have any questions, I will ask. I saw your art designs and I will buy from you soon. Thank you for your follow. Okay, and now just after a few minutes later, I got the email from the Rarible. I don't know either if it's from Rarible or someone is just trying to access to my wallet. Because here I got the message that congratulations to you, one of your NFTs has been sold. Your wallet address must be confirmed for the sale amount to be deposited into your account. So basically here I'm asked to provide my wallet address as well as 12 words belonging to my wallet. We know it's not allowed to share to anyone, but here I'm required. And here I have made another email that's basically a fake email just to check its authenticity. I just sent the message to this account to check her response, and you can check here. I got the same wording. Hello dear friend, my question was solved. I have a question, I will ask. I saw your art designs and I will buy from you soon. Thank you for your follow-up. And the same method she is adopting to misguide you and take your information. Okay, after this email, just a few minutes later, you will get an email from the Rarible. You can just check the time here. Just after sending the message to this Emily, I got an email from the Rarible regarding completing the sales process. So if I'm not registered with Rarible, then I'm getting this email. Why they are trying to send me this email if I'm not registered with this email at all? So here it's proved that she is just trying to get access to your wallet. I have mistakenly shared my wallet address with her and my 12 words with her, but I guess now I got rid of her. Actually, I adopted sharper method. So if any of you is getting any sort of trouble and knows any of the account who is trying to have access to your wallet and you have experienced the same scene, you can just share it. And if you want to know that how to get rid of this kind of the account, and if you have shared your account and you want to know that how you can have your money secured, you can just contact me and follow. For more information, just subscribe to my channel, and I hope I would be adding more to your knowledge in my upcoming videos. Goodbye.